Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Realme has come out with a phone for the travelers among us, the Realme GT Explorer Master Edition, with a design inspired by luggage, believe it or not. Let's see what it's all about in our hands-on video. The Realme GT Explorer Master Edition, kind of a mouthful, brings a luxury type of design, which is a contrast from the loud and shiny builds we usually see from this manufacturer. We have both the snow color scheme and the suitcase gray. The gray model is the more interesting one. It's made from vegan leather with 3D striped accents worked into the material, and it's both grippy and soft to the touch. It was designed by Naoto Fukusawa to resemble a travel suitcase, and you even get his signature here. On the front is a 6.55-inch Samsung AMOLED protected by Gorilla Glass 5 with a 1080p resolution and a super fast 120Hz refresh rate. It's even curved at the edges for style and brings both a whopping 480Hz touch sampling rate for extra responsiveness and an under-display fingerprint reader. You also get a pair of stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support to flesh out your media experience. The Realme GT Explorer Master's interface is Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11, and everything seems super smooth, thanks to not only the fast refresh rate and touch sampling rate, but also the flagship grade chipset. You get a Snapdragon 870 5G, which offers both great performance and 5G connectivity. There's also a GT performance mode that offers a boost for those heavier games. And for longer gaming sessions, the thermal should be good too, thanks to a vapor chamber cooling system. Powering the device is a 4500 mAh battery, and you get super fast 65-watt flash charging too. Realme claims that you can charge from 0 to 100% in just a little over half an hour. Finally, the Explorer Master has 3 cameras on the back, a 50-megapixel quad-Bayer main cam with OIS, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle cam, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. It's quite a different setup from what you get on the regular Realme GT, so we're curious about the quality here. But one new feature is a street photography mode, which offers some extra functions, including a suite of filters. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for a phone to match your travel accessories, the Explorer Master could be worth looking into. And the specs look pretty nice too, especially for a mid-ranger. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.